Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Wisnu. Kali ini saya akan mengajar materi reading. So, how are you today? I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
sir.
sir.
How are
How are
you?
you?
Before we begin, let me introduce today's lesson. Today we are going to learn reading, especially how to understand unfamiliar words. Today I want to show you another strategy. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to guess the meaning of unfamiliar words by using context clues. Today we have three learning objectives. The first one, you will identify important vocabulary related to profession. And the second, you will learn how to infer the meaning of unfamiliar words by looking at the context clues instead of translating every word. And the third, you will understand how descriptive text describes someone's profession. And if we achieve these three objectives, you will become more confident readers. Oke, warm up. What is a career? Um, jadi pekerjaan itu apa? Think about the work around you. How do various occupants shape our daily life? And what is the difference between a temporary job and lifelong profession? What qualities make a professional successful in their chosen field? Jadi pekerjaan sementara dan pekerjaan jangka panjang itu bedanya apa? Dan kenapa orang profesional itu cukup sukses di pekerjaan yang mereka tekuni? So let's review the introducing the descriptive text. Definition and purpose. Descriptive text presents a vivid written portrait of a specific subject, such as a person, a place, or a particular profession. The primary goal is to describe and reveal the distinct traits and daily function and unique feature of the subjects. And the structure is number one is identification. You must introduce the professional role or subjects being described. And number two is description. Details specific qualities, daily routines, requirement, and responsibility. And the key feature is simple past tense, descriptive text, action, verb, and technical terms. Notice that this descriptive text usually use the simple present tense because they describe facts or general characteristics. Okay, the target vocabulary. Please repeat. Please look at your screen atau lihat di sini. Kita ada 6. Di sini ada profession pertama yaitu a job that require a specialized training or advanced skill. Jadi pekerjaan yang membutuhkan spesialisasi atau skill yang mumpuni. Sustainable and architecture is growing profession. Itu sebagai contohnya, contoh vocabulary. Rigorous, meaning extremely demanding, strict, precise, or difficult. The engineers follow a rigorous safety checklist. Ini adalah contoh kalimatnya. And dedication, meaning a complete commitment to a specific task, cause, or purpose. Jadi tujuannya itu untuk menyelesaikan spesifik pekerjaan khusus. Jadi dia berdedikasi tuh atau mengabdikan hidupnya untuk pekerjaan tersebut. Jadi contohnya adalah the doctor's dedication save many life. And next is collaborate, meaning to work jointly with others to complete a task. Contoh kalimatnya ada team members collaborate to solve building design issue. Next is assistance, meaning artinya crucial help, support, or backing given to someone. Contoh kalimatnya adalah the junior designer request technical assistance. The last one is compensation, meaning payment, salary or benefit received doing for work. Artinya itu bayaran. Mungkin compensation itu um, gaji juga bisa atau benefit yang diterima setelah bekerja. Next is reading past text. The sustainable architect. Di sini saya akan ceritakan saja, saya akan bacakan. Nanti mungkin bisa diingat poin-poinnya setelah ini ada diskusi. So, Elena Rostova is a modern pioneer who has turned her love for green environment to a highly influential profession. Being a sustainable architect is not simply about drawing blueprints, it's a full-time career that shapes how communities live. Every week, Elena follows a rigorous design schedule filled with structural calculation, client negotiation, and construction site checks. This demanding lifestyle is not only possible because of her deep dedication to environmental conservation. On the construction site, Elena must closely collaborate with structural engineer and city planner to execute green building design. When complex structural issues arise, she relies heavily on the assistance of the senior specialist who help refine her innovative design. While Elena's remarkable skill earned her handsome financial compensation. She insists that the true reward of her career is building a healthier planet for the future generation. The next is how Guess words using context. Okay, look at the surrounding details. Number one is explanation clues. Cluenya adalah look at the surrounding details. Often the sentence describes actual action that illustrate what the word means. And the synonym is what the sentences nearby that restate the core concept using different terms or related function. Bisa lihat di bawah itu adalah contohnya yang di yang di tulisan hitam ini. Jadi unfamiliar word plus surrounding action itu adalah accurate transfer or free understanding. Jadi itu adalah caranya. Jadi kalau secara bahasa Indonesianya adalah cari kata-kata yang tidak dikenali, tapi dilihat sekitarnya itu atau kata-kata berikut atau sebelumnya itu tentang bahas tentang apa. Caranya seperti itu. Em, jadi berikut adalah 4 soal yang akan saya berikan. Nanti dikumpulkan, tolong dijawab, tolong dijawab di kertas lembar dan dikumpulkan nanti ke saya. 20 menit atau 15 menit sekiranya cukup. Mungkin boleh dicatat dulu. The question number one is according to the passage. What specific field or of architect is Elena profession? And now question number two. What specific task for Elena's rigorous design schedule? And question number three, which specific group of specialists does Elena collaborate on site? And the last question is, what does Elena believe in the ultimate compensation of her sustainable job? Ini pertanyaannya mungkin saya kasih lihat dulu yang tadi saya baca. Ini kalian bisa lihat di sini. Ini adalah clue-nya. Kalian bisa jawab pertanyaan tadi menggunakan kata-kata yang ada di sini. Ingat, yang ada garis bold atau huruf besar ini, yang ditebelin itu adalah clue-nya. Jadi, biar kalian mudah mengerjakan juga. Oke, sekiranya udah cukup ya. Hmm. Oke, exercise. Find the words in the text, write the clues around them, and help to their meanings. Ini bisa, oh yang tadi di garis yang tebal, tulisan yang tebal itu rigorous, calculation, negotiation, and side checks. Inferred meaningnya itu adalah strict and highly demanding or difficult. Second one is collaborate. Elena must closely collaborate with structural engineers. Jadi to work with artinya adalah to work together towards a goal. And the assistants, senior specialists who help refine her design. Inferred meaningnya itu adalah help, guidance, or support. Jadi intinya adalah membantu. Oke, ini adalah pertanyaan. Satu pertanyaan aja cukup. Jadi, saya baca ya. Well, Elna is remarkable still earn her a handsome financial compensation. Based on the context clues in the passage, what does compensation refer to? Siapa yang mau jawab? Mas Robi, silakan jawab. Oh,
Oh,
boleh dah.
boleh dah.
Coba baca soalnya
Baca
lagi,
soalnya
coba.
lagi, coba.
Tolong baca
Tolong
soalnya
baca
lagi.
soalnya lagi. Baik, while Elena remarkable skills earn her a handsome financial compensation based on the context clues in the passage. What does compensation refer to? The answer is C.
Baik, jawabannya sih ya. Hmm. Selamat Mas Robi, jawabannya betul. Oke, kita lanjut ke slide berikutnya. Terima kasih sudah
Thank
menjawab.
you.
Oke, sekarang active reflection ya. Question number one. Oke, sekiranya kita udah cukup lah ya pertanyaannya ya. Cukup, kita lanjut aja ke berikutnya. Oke, kita tutup aja kelas ini. Terima kasih. Keep exploring modern career. Semoga kalian mendapat kerja setelah lulus dari sini. Kata-kata dari saya adalah, your contextual understanding is the best map to decode the world of profession. Terima kasih sudah menghadiri kelas saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.